Alchemy, a fascinating blend of science, philosophy, and spirituality, has captivated humankind for centuries. Its roots stretch back to ancient civilizations like Egypt, Greece, and China. Alchemists were driven by a thirst for knowledge and a desire to unravel the mysteries of the universe. These early scientists and philosophers sought to understand the fundamental nature of matter. They believed that by manipulating base metals, they could transmute them into gold. This pursuit of transmutation was not solely about material wealth. It also represented a spiritual journey, a quest for enlightenment and perfection. Alchemy's influence extended far beyond the realm of science. It played a crucial role in the development of medicine, art, and even religion. Alchemists developed new laboratory techniques and made significant contributions to our understanding of chemistry and metallurgy. One of the most intriguing aspects of alchemy is its secret language of symbols. These cryptic symbols were used to represent elements, processes, and concepts. Understanding these symbols is key to unlocking the mysteries of alchemical texts and practices. Each element had its own unique symbol, often derived from its properties or astrological associations. For example, gold, representing perfection, was symbolized by a circle with a dot in the center, resembling the sun. Silver, associated with the moon, was represented by a crescent shape. These symbols were not merely arbitrary. They reflected the alchemist's belief in the interconnectedness of all things. The symbols held deep philosophical and spiritual significance, representing the different stages of the alchemical process and the transformation of the alchemists themselves. The Philosopher's Stone, a legendary substance, was the ultimate goal of many alchemists. This elusive substance, also known as the elixir of life, was believed to possess incredible powers. The Philosopher's Stone was said to have the ability to transmute base metals into gold, the perfect metal. It was also believed to hold the key to immortality, capable of curing any illness and extending life indefinitely. The creation of the Philosopher's Stone was seen as the culmination of the alchemical process, a testament to the alchemist's mastery over the elements. It represented the purification and perfection of both matter and spirit. Distillation, a fundamental process in alchemy, involves heating a liquid to create vapor and then cooling the vapor to condense it back into liquid form. Alchemists used distillation to purify substances and separate mixtures. They believed that by separating the pure essence of a substance from its impurities, they could unlock its hidden potential. Distillation was essential for creating medicines, perfumes, and other valuable substances. The process allowed alchemists to isolate and concentrate specific components of natural materials. Section 5. Sublimation, transforming matter through vapor. Sublimation is a fascinating process where a solid transforms directly into a gas, bypassing the liquid state altogether. Alchemists were intrigued by this phenomenon, viewing it as a powerful symbol of transformation. They believed that sublimation represented the liberation of the spirit from the material world. One example of sublimation in alchemy is the transformation of mercury sulfide into pure mercury. This process, involving heating the solid and collecting the vaporized mercury, demonstrated the ability to purify and transform matter through seemingly magical means. Section 6. Calcination, applying heat to transform substances. Calcination, another essential alchemical process, involves heating a substance to high temperatures in the presence of air. This process often resulted in the oxidation or reduction of the substance, leading to changes in its properties. Alchemists used calcination for various purposes, including removing impurities, changing the color of metals, and creating new compounds. For instance, calcinating lead in air would oxidize it, forming lead oxide, a substance with different properties than the original metal. Calcination played a crucial role in the alchemists' attempts to transmute metals. They believed that by carefully controlling the heating process, they could break down matter and rearrange its fundamental components. Section 7. The Alchemist's Workshop, Tools of the Trade. The Alchemist's Workshop was a place of wonder and experimentation, filled with curious tools and apparatuses. These tools, essential for their work, reflected the alchemists' ingenuity and their desire to understand and manipulate the natural world. One of the most iconic alchemical tools is the alembic, a distillation apparatus used to separate liquids. Alembics consisted of a heated flask, a condensing chamber, and a receiver for the distilled liquid. Another important tool was the retort, a pear-shaped flask with a long, curved neck. Retorts were used for distillation and other chemical reactions, allowing alchemists to heat substances and collect the vapors or gases produced. Furnaces, essential for providing heat for various alchemical processes, came in various sizes and designs. Some furnaces were fueled by wood or charcoal, while others used more sophisticated methods to achieve higher temperatures. Section 8. The legacy of alchemy from ancient practices to modern science. While alchemy may seem like a relic of the past, its legacy continues to influence modern science in profound ways. Many of the techniques and principles developed by alchemists laid the groundwork for modern chemistry. The alchemists' emphasis on experimentation and observation helped pave the way for the scientific method. Their meticulous record-keeping, often using cryptic symbols and allegorical language, provided valuable insights into their thought processes and discoveries. Moreover, the alchemists' pursuit of transmutation, though ultimately unsuccessful in its literal sense, led to significant advances in metallurgy and the understanding of chemical reactions. Section 9. Conclusion. The enduring allure of alchemy. Alchemy continues to fascinate us today, not just for its historical significance, but also for its enduring themes of transformation, enlightenment, and the search for knowledge. The alchemist's quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe mirrors our own desire to understand the world around us. Their belief in the interconnectedness of all things resonates with modern concepts of holism and systems thinking. Alchemy, with its blend of science, philosophy, and spirituality, reminds us that the pursuit of knowledge is not merely about accumulating facts, but also about exploring the deeper meaning and interconnectedness of the cosmos.